1964 Cadillac Sedan Deville ignition switch test. So right here we're going to show you how we're going to test this. This is on, I'm going to put this right on the battery. I'm going to put this on where it says solenoid. And then from here, we're going to act like we're going to crank the car. You hear the tone? You have almost zero resistance, so you have perfect connection inside. So that's that part. So I'll put this in the off position. Then we'll go to where it says ignition, ING. Clamp it there. Turn it on. There's your ignition. Almost 0 ohms resistance. Turn it off. And the only other one would be AC for accessory. Almost 0 ohms resistance. Perfect connection, so you know the switch is good. Take these off. Kill that. So the threads are in good shape. It's a new key. It's got the cardboard in here, so it directs the light right in this little hole. So the switch is in excellent condition.